Oh, hey there. We were just about to play our harp. You can join if you want to. Grab your harp, take it down low.
You know I go insane every time you have to catch a flight.
Oh my gosh. Where'd you learn to play? You're a natural. Step, side, and throw. Reach as high as you can. Reach for those stars, baby. We're about to fall in love. Hold your hand high. Falling in love is scary, but we can do it. Breathe it up. I'm shaking. Beg. Single, single, double now. Fight it back. Freestyle pose. Bam, bam. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, you sexy queen. Pose. Shooting star. Down. Look at you shooting across the sky. Speed this up now. Hey. Haley and I saw a shooting star in Dubai. I wished for happiness. She wished for $1 million. We all have different priorities. Clear. Hey. Are you ready to fall in love again? Hold it high now. Breathe it up. Hold it down. Take it to the side. Up, up, down. Sink that booty to the floor. Faster now. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Now jump. Do it again, but add some energy. Let's go. Thought I'd play the harp for you one more time.
Yeah.
I know, I'm really good at it. Don't make me beg you to buy our activewear. That's pathetic. But if you want to, go to activebooty.com and you can get everything you see here, like the mesh tee or the TYOT, the TYOT, the mesh tee.
And the silhouette set.
And the silhouette set. You can watch the official video right here and click right here to do our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. We do them live every single week and they never expire. It's the best way to get a Fitness Marshall experience.